everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Carol. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this look, which I have decided to call the Diverging eyeliner look, with a little bit of a flush of green onto it. So if you want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. Cool, so like you can see, I've already done up pretty much my entire makeup except for my eyes and lips, because the focus of today's tutorial video is going to be the eyes. So like the title suggests, it is going to be a split eyeliner look and with a little bit of like a wash of color onto the eyes. So again, since I'm doing a colorful look, I'm going to go back to one among the two colorful eyeshadow palettes that I have, which is the M.A.C It's Designer eyeshadow palette. And it's got some lovely colors in here. I'm going to be mainly using these three colors, the yellow, green and black. Before I start anything on my eyes, I'm going to conceal my eyelids with a little bit of a lighter concealer. So I'm using the Carol.Menezes concealer, Dermacolor concealer in the shade D4. I'm going to just apply it all over my eyelids just to even out the base. This is the key to making your eyeshadow colors pop. Like if you want your eyeshadows to look really bright and you want the color payoff to be very good, then it's a good practice to conceal your eyelids with a slightly lighter concealer, and then that way your eyeshadows will stick onto your lids also for long and you don't need a separate eye primer as such. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this nice bright green color right here. This is lemony green kind of color, and I'm going to just dust it off on my entire eyelid very carefully because I don't want to drop it on my beautifully done base. So just packing it onto the entire eyelid, and I'm going to blend it out very smoothly. I'm not 100% sure of what exactly I'm going to be doing on my lids today. I'm kind of just going intuitively with this look. So let's hope it turns out pretty and, just creative and nice. I'm just going to do the steps on each eye and then go in with the next step. So then I'll get a better understanding of what I want to do next. All the colors that I'm going to be using today are going to be completely matte. There's no shine as such in this look. I'm just going with the flow, guys. I'm just going with the flow. You know, there's one thing that this lockdown has really taught me, I mean, in terms of makeup, since we're talking about makeup. So until now, I used to create a lot of creative looks and fantasy looks and, different kinds of looks always. I was always very motivated to create different kinds of looks. But the inspiration for all of those looks until now was always another makeup look. Like I would see some sort of very interesting makeup somewhere and I'll be like, oh, I want to create something like that, something along those lines, but obviously adding my own touch to it. But recently, since, I've been reading up about a lot of different other things as well, apart from makeup, during this lockdown period, I've been taking inspiration from not just makeup looks, but even like some texts that I read or some piece of artwork that I see somewhere that's not makeup. I sort of just take inspiration from there and try and convert it into a makeup look or try and translate it onto my face. And that honestly has been creatively so satisfying for me. I don't know if satisfying is the right word, but it just makes me feel so free and so like calm. I don't know what that feeling is, but it's just amazing. And so I realized that when I want to create something, I think I should just go for it. Just start creating it and then just see what my hand does. I would put it that way. Instead of like spending hours or days thinking what look I should create and, oh, maybe this line should be like that or that line should be that way. Of course, there should be a sort of an idea of what you want to create, and then I think, for me at least, I should just go for it, man. Like, just start putting on colors and see what happens out of it. Cool. So I'm going to do the same thing under the eyes as well, right here, with the same green, okay? Okay, next I'm going to pick up this yellow color right here, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner of my eye. You're not going to see too much of a difference because these colors are pretty similar. Like if you see, they're both kind of yellowy green kind of colors, but it's just going to add a little bit more dimension and fun to this look. I was initially going to add the silver color here, but then I said I'm not going to add shine. So I'm going to stick to the matte. Just make it yellow and bright. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop with that, with the color part, and I'm going to move into the eyeliner, which is actually the main concept or technique that I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So I'm going to use the same eyeliner that I use in every single video, which is the Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm going to be putting all the links down in the description, so in case you want to get any of these products, you can click on the links down in the description. I'm using a pointed tip brush like this. Okay, so we are going to be creating a double liner with a slit. So we're going to first create a regular liner on top. So the same way, starting from the lower lash line, first you draw the guide. I'm going to make it slightly longer. Okay, and then you pull this down. So now you've got to just fill it in. Now here's the twist, okay? I've taken some more liner onto the brush. Now for the lower lash line, also we are going to be doing an eyeliner. So this is how you do it. You sort of just create a line very close to the lash line right here. Okay, and this time you're not going to take the liner upward, you're going to take it downward. So it's split and like goes away. I don't know what is it called? It's not a parallel line, it's a diverging line. Yes. So you're gonna just diverge the line like that. Okay, so I'm going to keep picking up product, because if you try to use the same dried up brush, it's going to just mess up the whole thing. So that's the challenge with the gel eyeliners. You have to keep cleaning the brush and then keep picking up product, because otherwise it'll just look too jagged. So we're going to join this part right here. Guys, I have a small hack just in case you're unable to get precise lines, right? What you can do is you can take like a sharp brush like this. It's like a super precise brush, and you can take some concealer onto it. This actually would work best when there was no eyeshadow, but even then you can just clean up the edges to make it sharp. Okay, from up as well as underneath. I know your eyeshadow will also get wiped off with this, but you can go in with some more eyeshadow to fill that in. So now your eyeliner is, pretty sharp and precise. Cool, now into this I'm going to add some green kajal. This is from Color Bar. So I'm going to quickly do up the same thing on the other eye as well. Now I'm going to first fix my false lashes, and this time I'm going to fix the false lashes on camera only, so you can see how I'm fixing it. These lashes have been used at least 25 times. So I'm just going to remove the excess glue that's on it first. And these lashes are from Amazon. I'm going to put the link down in the description if I can find it. And this one is the lash glue. This is the Euro Paris lash glue. Again, I'll try and put the link in the description for you. I'm going to basically apply the glue right on the base here and let it dry for a bit. So you can just move it back and forth a little bit so that it dries. It's got to get a little tacky, like the glue needs to become a little tacky, and then it'll like stick properly. Cool. Okay. Now, so you will see, like I've seen a lot of videos where people start fixing the lash from the center and then fix the sides. I personally like to start from the side, so I know exactly how much towards the outside I want the lash and then fix the rest of it. So I'm going to start by fixing the outside. Okay, so I know that it's going to be just this out. Otherwise, sometimes it comes too much outside or like it looks too droopy. So I like to fix the outside and then start fixing the rest of the parts. There you go, lashes done, eyes done. I'm just going to quickly look at my eyes and see if there is anything else that I want to add. I think I think that's about it. I'm not going to add anything more because I'm quite liking this, and I'm enjoying this diverging eyeliner. I'm going to call it diverging eyeliner look. I think it could be quite a statement look, and I'm really enjoying it. But yeah, very basic lip, like a lip gloss, pink. And that's about it. So for the rest of the face, let me just tell you what all I've used. I've used for foundation this one, the M.A.C Cosmetics foundation stick in the shade NC40. Then for what else? Contour, I have used this one, which is the M.A.C Pro Long Wear powder in the shade Dark Deep. And then for blush, I have again used a M.A.C blush in the shade Copper Tone. It's a brownie peach kind of blush. For powder, I've used the Ben Nye Loose Translucent Powder. And for highlighter, I have used the M.A.C Soft and Gentle Highlighter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like this look. What do you think? Is it too much? Is it too basic? What kind of a person are you? Let me know in the comments below, guys, and also let me know what other kinds of videos you'd like me to create. Until the next time, take care. Bye.